In this video, I will show you how to make a horizontal invisible seam on a rib stitch. This technique will create a clean join between two rib edges. Today we will be using Feeling Good yarn in Cameo Rose and a knitter's sewing needle. Let's get started. Line your two pieces of rib horizontal edge to horizontal edge. Take your needle, thread with a piece of yarn. I'm going to be using this contrast yarn just so you can see what I'm doing, but you will be using the same yarn as same colour as your knitting. We're going to be working across the stitch opposite edge to opposite edge. Take your needle, thread under the V-bars of your first stitch. We're going to now be going into this purl stitch on the opposite side. The V-bars aren't as obvious here, so you need to dig a little bit. And now we're going to go into this purl stitch opposite. So under the two V-bars here. Then continue in this way, going back and forth. Once you've done it a few times, you can pull gently, close up your seam, and just keep going back and forth, opposite edge to opposite edge. So you're now coming to the end of your seam. I've got a couple of stitches left, so I'm just going to carry on as I have been. Making sure you go under the two V-bars of each stitch. This is how your horizontal seam edge will look. As you can see, it's a really nice clean edge. This is the front and then this is the back. And it will be really good for shoulder seams and give your projects a really professional, clean finish. And that's how you make your horizontal invisible edge seam on a rib.